Guess which part of your IT setup is most vulnerable? 91% of cyber attacks start with an email. So let's show you 3 things you can do right now to make it harder for criminals to launch an attack on your business. First up, make sure your people understand phishing scams. They're the way in for most successful email attacks. Have a training plan in place to show everyone what to look out for. And check they know what to do if they think they've fallen for a scam. Next, look at your email account settings. Switch on multi-factor authentication, where you prove it's you on another device. And always use business email. It has more protection than your personal email, and its encryption can stop anyone intercepting messages. Finally, get your team to use a password manager that creates random, impossible-to-guess passwords and remembers them so humans don't have to. Keeping business emails safe is what we do every day. If you want us to check yours is safe, get in touch.